Hello everyone. We'll talk about the lean principles and the continuous improvement in this video. So this will be a very short video. It's just an overview about the lean principles and the continuous improvement that we will be speaking. So what is lean? The definition states it's an endless transformation of waste into values. Remember, and this continuous transformation from waste to values, if it can be done from customers' point of view, exactly you've achieved lean. So information technology is a system thinking concept. A little, perhaps, a history is what we are looking about here. Now, if you look what we are talking about, it's a philosophy. The long-term thinking, what we are trying to achieve during the organization been set up, during the company has been set up, during when we are trying to build up an association, we have a long-term thinking of doing overall good to the society, probably or probably we want to be a technologically innovative company altogether, or we want to create a niche for ourselves. It's a long-term thinking. Now, then there are people, then there are partners who respect, who challenge, and who grow them. This objective in mind, this passion has to be built around those people and partners. Then comes the process part. Is here is where we start eliminating waste, eliminating lean requirements, or anything that is excessive, anything that doesn't add value to the process altogether. This is what the process we are looking into it. And last but not the least, the 4P models is the continuous improvement and learning, and that is what problem solving is all about it. So yes, we talk about philosophy, we're talking about people and partners, we talk about process, and we are talking about the problem solving, the 4 P's: philosophies, people, process, and problem solving thereby. So impact on lean in the industry, direct labors approximately a 50%. This is what productivity has to be improved. 50%. It varies from 45% to 75%. Let's say why it is 75%. Um, any service industry, let's say an IT industry, you don't have any other cost other than the manpower cost. You have some computer cost, you have some server cost. Those are auxiliary costs when compared to the salary or wages bill are concerned. 75%. So any service industry would have much weightage onto the direct labor or productivity improvement. So what do we do? Can we cost reduce it 25 to 50%? Again, coming surrounded throughput of flow increase, improving productivity 60 to 90%. Another way of reducing cost or getting more lean. Quality needs to be improved, or should I say defects or scrap has to be reduced. Can improve the values by 50 to 90%. Inventory has to be reduced as on when we start producing, as on when we start manufacturing. Space reduced 35 to 50%, and the lead time reduced, which is again from 50 to 90%. This is what happens around here, and this is how we should be going thereby. So yes, the traditional culture versus lean culture. What does the traditional says? It works, it says in silos. You work in tandem within your group, within your function, within your department. Ensure that your department is solid, good enough. But in lean, it says it is all in interdisciplinary teams. Everything is interdisciplinary. Managers are working directly under traditional thing. In lean, managers and teachers, they probably even enables. In fact, everybody is viewed as equal. Traditional benchmarking to justify not improving just as good. Lean seeking the ultimate performance is the absence of waste. Traditional is blame people. Lean is to root cause analysis thereby. Traditional is reward individually. Lean is to reward group sharing. Traditional is all about supplier is the enemy. But in lean system, you are working in tandem with your vendor, with your supplier. They are your ally. In traditional, you don't share information, you guard them. You absolutely guard them. But in the lean system, you have an open access system. You open everything, you share every information, you let them know where the pain points are, and probably they might come up with certain good solutions. Traditional is volume lower costed. Lean is removing waste lower costed. Traditional is internal focus. Lean is customer focused. Traditional is expert driven and lean is process driven. This is how we look into it all together. So yes, we are talking about making it visual, cleaning it up. What are we looking? We are trying to sort the items. If you can just not see it, just follow the words. Sort the items, straighten the items, shine the item, standardize the item, and sustain over a period of time. Again, You have your system, you have your data, you have your processes. Can you sort them, prioritize them, straighten them, shine them, make a polish, ensure that it is defect free, it is after to the best quality, standardize them, and probably sustain them over a period of time. Eliminating waste, production, overproduction, pills given out very early, probably yes, treatment done onto a balanced stuff, duplication of test, you name it, and we are talking about waste. So, what are your outputs? If you are not giving your outputs faster than what the desired time is required, probably it will not be sustainable. It will not be functioning to the best of the ability. The treatment done to the balanced stuff, duplication of the tests that needs to be done, duplication of the work that needs to be done, eliminating transportation, moving your customers, moving your suppliers, moving your workers, everything requires time, effort, and that is what we are looking about it. So how do we eliminate? We can eliminate by waiting for assignment. Do not wait. Waiting for discharges of the superior supervisor's instructions. Do not wait. Work on your own. Take on the responsibility. Waiting for the communications to be done as as if you are to be waiting, and only once instructed only will you proceed. Why don't you own up the process? Why don't you own up the company? So that is how we eliminate those waste, waiting for assignments, waiting for discharges or communication. Either of the time, start taking the initiative. Eliminating wait is processing, retesting, more paperwork, duplicate procedures as on when on basis, and that is what we look to go around it. Eliminating waste, defects. What are we looking into? Process errors. We are looking into wrong procedures, wrong customers, missing information. Everything needs to be segregated. So eliminating waste by wrong procedures, eliminate those process error, eliminate those wrong procedures, error, wrong customers. Do not address your marketing even to the wrong customers altogether, missing information. With this, I come to an end of this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end.